January 4th, 2015, 11:30 a.m. Mexico City, Distrito Federal. You'll see in the center of the screen there's an airplane. It's flying upwards about 1,500 feet. And it's advertising a circus above everybody through loud speaker. Here it comes.
Las personas que escuchen el avión de Circo a Talle van a pagar 30 pesos niños, adultos 50 pesos. Por JoJukeene, únicamente las personas que lleguen a la taquilla del circo y digan su escuchado en el avión de Circo a Talle, hermanos. Adultos 50, niños 30. No paguen, tienen taquilla. Si escuchaste el avión del circo, 30 pesos.
I'm in Mexico City right now, and visiting a friend, Reynaldo Sanchez, and I've never seen an airplane. I've seen airplanes advertising before, but with long plasticky paper things that say something behind it, like a tail. But the majority of the population of Mexico down here doesn't know how to read or write, but they know how to listen. So the circus, airplane should be coming up behind that building right now. Right there. It's gonna fly by over again. And it's saying really loud, if you can hear this airplane and you go down to the circus across the street from a hospital, children are only 30 pesos and adults are 50 pesos. And here it comes. It's somewhere over here. Now, Reynaldo says this ain't the slums, but it kind of looks like a lot like Rio de Janeiro, a lot. It looks like the slums, man, to me. But you know, after his wife has the baby, he promised me he's gonna take me to the slums, and you'll see more video from the slums over there. There's that airplane again, right there. $30 pesos is the equivalent in American dollars to what's 14 pesos for $1. So it's roughly $2.25 to go to the circus here. For a child, those are children right there. For an adult like me or Reynaldo, it's 50 pesos. That's 50 divided by 14, whatever that comes out to be, and that's what it costs in dollars. I think they're wasting all their money on the fucking gasoline to put on the airplane. If you ask me. To fly that stupid thing around and around in circles. And then pay the pilot, pay the gasoline, pay for the rent of the airplane. Maybe the Circus owns the airplane, who knows, right? But gasoline, I think they're spending all their money just to fly the airplane, man, the circus people. I hear another voice down there. They're advertising something or other. I don't know what the hell they're advertising, but there's the airplane one more time. All right, well, anyways, this shot in 1290 by 1080p, so it's gonna be like a highly high definition. I gotta go. I'm gonna go upload this right now. Bye.